It's a disgrace. Just an outrage.
Our son deserves the same opportunities as anyone else. Just because of this disability. He's not been given a fair chance at life.
Like, I mean, the government bail out banks. Yet my son can't get a place in the local school because they say they can't afford to pay a specialist to look after him. Like, this day and age, it's scandalous.
And what's his situation now?
Well, at the moment, he's been homeschooled.
And what exactly is wrong with your son?
Well, his condition is fairly common, but very stigmatised. He'd be known as a scumbag.
And could you elaborate on that a little?
Well, there are a few derogatory terms for it, like waster, scoby, scanger. Like, I heard some bullies on the street one day call him a juvenile delinquent. Horrible language. Okay.
He requires constant attention. And he can't be left on his own because, well, he just gets himself into trouble. But he can't help it.
Like, it's been very hard. Like, Deirdre here had to give up her job to look after him. And sure, most nights I lose sleep because of the noise.
What noise is that?
Well, due to his condition, what makes him feel calm normally is he has to blare music, have his friends around. Yeah, really loud. Have his friends around, roll joints, smash things up. But we know he doesn't mean it.
And then there's the hygiene problem.
He has hygiene issues?
He's vomiting in his bedroom, used condoms everywhere in the house. I found down the back of the sofa, in the garden. We don't know who he's having back.
He doesn't wash. You know, there's a certain nickname for a snot rocket.
Yeah. His breath, all the time, stinking.
But it's just that even the financial burden is huge, you know. There's the fines, bail money, suits for court, Celtic jerseys, home, away, Europe, this, that, whatever cup they're in. Like, I'm telling you, the price on them is unbelievable.
And now they want to slap an antisocial behaviour order on him. You wouldn't get that treatment in the third world.
No, that's what it is. It's a third world system.
Worse. Fourth world.
But isn't he just an obnoxious teenager?
Excuse me, but our son has a serious psychological problem.
If you've been affected by any of the issues raised in this programme, please log on to blameeveryoneelse.com. Remember, it's never your fault.